Expertise and know-how. The ETHOS UP user interface fully controls all the digestion parameters, provides complete documentation, and expedites the overall digestion procedure. Select one of the hundreds of preloaded methods, press Start, and the system will automatically follow the user-defined temperature profile using a sophisticated PID algorithm. Milestone Connect provides access to exclusive resources such as application notes, scientific papers, tutorial videos, and the spare parts list, ensuring 24/7 support and the capability of remotely controlling the system. Matching regulations is crucial in many industries, such as the pharmaceutical one. That's why Milestone offers a comprehensive Milestone Validation Package to quickly implement the instruments in the lab.